There's nothing we can do about it now.
Oh, there is. What do we...
No, we can't. We've only got 8 minutes. Why don't we just do like a plain alio sauce without the cauliflower? We're not leaving the cauliflower out.
I'm starting to panic a little bit because this is a very simple sauce, and if it's not perfect, we're going to be going to sudden death.
We've got 3 extremely talented teams in front of us here in this showdown. Each team is trying to create the best example of just one course. I think it's going to be difficult judging.
I'm just worried about the time. We've chosen to do an entree for the showdown. The weakest dish will be posed by Pete and Mahmood, and they'll be going to sudden death. So see, I've got concerns about this. I'm so desperately worried about the cauliflower.
Now it's time for the judges to eat our food.
It's nerve-wracking, but we don't know what they're going to think of it because they've obviously got their own opinions.
One of you 3 teams is going to sudden death. Do you think this is good enough to keep you out?
We really hope it is. We know that there's issues with the sauce, but look, it looks visually beautiful and the pasta's good. We just hope that this gets us through and people safe.
We didn't want to cook main, but we're feeling quite confident in the dish that we've put up. We haven't just made it go, we've maximised that jam.
Als je handen die dingen fixen zelf gefixt moeten worden en de handen die zorgverleners zelf verzorgd moeten worden, dan hebben we ook niets working hands. Gegarandeerd verzorging voor extreem droge en gebarsten handen.
Chocolate ganache, blackberry mousse, and a yuzu white chocolate snow.
Love that. Right. Well done. Here we go. This is it. Are you 3 amazing chefs ready? Yeah. Good. Your 60 minutes starts now. Let's go.
Chocolate.
I'm rooting for all 3 of them, but of course I want Jennifer to win. She's on the top.
But I do believe that Kennedy is leading. I know that Kennedy is under a lot of pressure right now because this is not her area. She is not known as a baker. I think that Grant is taking a risk. I don't know how I feel about We're being We're going to see how it turns out.
Thanks, honey.
This is Jennifer's wheelhouse. She pulls this dessert off the way I know she do. She's walking out of here now.
Let's go. Definitely recommended fantastic chemistry. You can't be too damn short to it. It needs to be exact. Jennifer's, that I love you cake, there's a lot going on there. That last few moves inside that chocolate mousse and then finish with that beautiful sheet, that's a lot to accomplish, right?
Yeah, it's a lot.
Jennifer, how are we doing?
Hello, I'm doing good. I'm just rotating my cake here.
So this idea of the I love you cake, did he capture your heart with the cake or vice versa? How did that go?
He had the table dressed with rose petals, a bottle of wine, had the beautiful cake, and then beautiful card and said, I love you.
So did he wear like a smoking jacket or something with leopard print?
He is an Italian stallion, you know.
Oh boy. Do you feel that everything is going to play a very instrumental part in the overall flavor and result?
It is, absolutely. And also Arkansas, we have beautiful berry farms, and so I'm representing my home state here as well.
I appreciate the fact that you're taking it to the next level. You're going to continue this theme of the South meets France and all that decadence, and this opportunity to really show off. So, best of luck, okay, Jennifer?
Thank you.
Come on, give it up for Jennifer, y'all. 30 minutes gone. Our last 30 minutes remaining. Halfway, guys. Come on.
Get out of it. Oh, God. I'm getting very penned out.
the snow is done. She didn't give up. I love it. Gotta be a fighter. No, 10 minutes, guys. Let's go. Okay, Jennifer's going with the liquid nitrogen, this time over the raspberries, which freezes the raspberries, and then she's going to break them up with an amazing little garnish. Yep. It's a pizzelle maker. Make my round for fun. Thank you. Flavor could stand up to the beauty of something. Kennedy, this is a hard dessert to get right. I'm going to be honest. That's truly horrific.
Half 9 bij net 5. Masterchef Australië, de Dirtmaster. Vanaf vanavond om 7:30 nieuw bij net 5.
En nu, de nieuwe Lenore is gemaakt met hemelse plantages. Ik voeg Lenore toe aan elke wasbeurt. Het houdt mijn beddengoed zo heerlijk zacht en fris. Elke avond tot wel een hele week lang. Ik voel me goed in Lenore.
Ze zeggen altijd dat boei, dat is Frans. Nou, niet mevrouw. Echt niet de god in de maag. Oh, dit gaan we zoeken naar wij dan gewoon. Allemaal waarom nog?
Let me again, their terrible fragrance. Don't come.
Pandora, Loves, Unboxed.
Beste studenten, jullie zijn misschien geen typische studenten, maar wel echte NTI-studenten. Jullie zijn doorzetters en hebben keihard gewerkt. Op de raarste plekken en op de vreemdste momenten. En dat is jullie gelukt. Ik ben heel erg trots.
I love you. Chocolate delicious, it's rich, the sponge is light, it's incredible. The raspberry coulis is a touch more lemon juice in there, but the actual cake is exceptional. Really well done. We have Jennifer, well, crying. Jill loves, yeah, I love you too. So we have a very Grant, you please